Adiabatic process, a completely isolated process in which no heat transfer can take place. Average velocity, average rate at which displacement vector changes with time. Angular acceleration, the rate of change of angular velocity with time. Angular displacement, angle subtended at the center of a circle by a particle moving along the circumference in a given time. Angular momentum, the cross product of position vector and linear momentum. Angular velocity, angular displacement per second. Antinode, the point of maximum displacement on a stationary wave. Artificial gravity, the gravity-like effect produced in orbiting spaceship overcome weightlessness. Average acceleration, ratio of the change in velocity that occurs within a time interval to that time interval. Base quantities, certain physical quantities such as length, mass and time. Blue shift, the shift of received wavelength from a star into the shorter region. Bulk modulus, ratio of volumetric stress to volumetric strain.